Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to switch between networks on the MetaMask wallet, step by step. Don't worry if you're new to MetaMask or crypto. I'll explain everything in very simple language. Let's get started. What are networks in MetaMask? MetaMask supports different blockchain networks like Ethereum, BNB Smart Chain, Polygon, Arbitrum, and others. Each network is separate, so if your funds are on the wrong network, you won't see them until you switch. Now let's see how to switch networks. Step 1. Open MetaMask wallet. First, unlock your phone or computer. Open the MetaMask app or MetaMask browser extension. Log in using your password or biometric lock. Step 2. Find the network selector. At the top of the screen, you'll see the network name. For example, it may say Ethereum mainnet or another network name. Tap or click on that network name. Step 3. Switch to a different network. A list of available networks will appear. Now, simply tap or click on the network you want, such as Ethereum mainnet, BNB Smart Chain, Polygon, Arbitrum, or Optimism. Once you select it, MetaMask will switch instantly. You'll now see your wallet on the selected network. Step 4. If a network is missing, optional. If you don't see the network you want, tap Add Network. MetaMask may show popular networks automatically. Select the network and tap Approve or Add. Once added, you can switch to it anytime. Step 5. Confirm your balance. After switching, your token list may change. Your balance may look different. This is normal. Your funds are still safe. They're just on a different network. Important tips for beginners. Always check the network before sending crypto. Sending to the wrong network can cause problems. Use official sources when adding new networks. Never share your recovery phrase. So this is how you can switch between networks on MetaMask wallet in 2026. Simple, fast, and beginner-friendly. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.